Now, God willing, today I will communicate with the support team of the PayPal app. For me, I have a problem. I want to verify PayPal or the PayPal account. I want to communicate about it in line with the PayPal support team. How will I determine the method? Of course, the method was to work through a laptop by logging into the official PayPal website or through the PayPal app. For me currently, I will explain how I can communicate with the PayPal support team through the app. For me, currently, after I entered the app, of course, the app is currently available in English. When we enter the app, the pages appear in a different style. For example, you have these pages specific. We will see at the top left some icons, some of which are just decorative. After that, you have a large number of options. We will scroll down to the bottom, scroll down to the bottom, scroll down to the bottom as desired. We will see an option called Small Profile and Support. Scroll down a bit at the bottom, and we will see an option called Help Center, meaning the Help Center. We click on it. After that, you have a large number of frequently asked questions. We will scroll down at the bottom as well. At the bottom, we will see an option called Contact PayPal Support, meaning to communicate with the PayPal Internet team. We click on it. Also, if you have many questions, we will scroll down at the bottom, scroll down at the bottom again. We will see the following option, Other Communication Methods. We inform you that you can communicate via SMS message, or through Call House, or by calling through the Claims Center. If it is a serious issue, you can communicate through messages. We will choose the Message House option. Thank God you can write the message you want to send, then send it. Choose the problem you are currently facing. Among the options, choose the problem you have. For example, it could be in English or the language you are currently using. Send it. So, this was the method through Messenger messages. You can also contact them by calling. If I go back, I have a full option called Callouts, meaning communication by calling. Just click on it. The errors are like this. It includes many things, such as communication with the agents. This gives you direct access to PayPal's communication. Now, let's move on to how to communicate with the PayPal support team through the app. This is how through the app. Now, I will also explain how to contact the support team through a laptop. First, details on contacting the PayPal support team through the official website, which has a set of records. Log into your PayPal account through the official PayPal website. Then you will see the main page of your PayPal account. We will look at the menu at the top where there is an option called Bank. Just click on it. The method is almost the same as the explanation I gave earlier through the app. I will put it down below now. I will put it down below. We will see the communication options as follows. In the menu, the option to communicate through Messenger Center, which means the Message Center. On it, you will communicate directly to be able to contact the PayPal team. Through messages, you must write a message. After writing it, it will be sent and you will be contacted. Through the message. This was the call option. The second method to contact the PayPal team is through a regular call. It'll be as follows. After opening the main page to get the overview, scroll down to the bottom after opening the main page. Scroll down to the bottom, and you will see an option called Contact or a communication icon. Click on these options. These options will appear for you as follows. Scroll down to the bottom. Click at the very bottom, and you will see options for the Disputes Center. Disputes Center targeted. You have the option to do a chargeback or messages. Of course, I explained the messages before. You click on them, and it will connect you directly. You can also press messages for the support team. As we said, you can press call out, meaning contact us. They will connect you directly and give you the specific number. For the support team, for example, viewers here, they will give me directly the specific number to contact the team directly. The support team through this number. But out here, the description team, the specific number for the PayPal support team that you are currently with. We are informing you that this number is available from 7/9 until 7:30 on Monday. Until Saturday, this was the method for a quick way to contact the PayPal support team, either through the app or through the official PayPal website. This video episode, God willing, is finished. See you in the next video. Peace and God's mercy be upon you.